Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm heading back over to the Salt River today. I will be going over tomorrow, Saturday. And I will be going with my lady, see how it is out there. We're just gonna catch some of these trout on some power bait. I did bring my fly rod. Sadly, I forgot my waders at home. So if you guys like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you guys want me to try some new places or something like that, always don't forget, leave a comment down below in the comment section. All right, let's go get them.
Sadly, you guys, it sucks when you don't record, but first one of the day, nice little one. Healthy, slowed the hook, so I gotta cut it, so it'll be fine. See you later, little buddy. First one of the day. There's another one, you guys. Yeah, this is a bigger one. Definitely a nice one. Hopefully I can do this, keep them from moving. You follow that hook too? Oh yep, that hook's back in the back of his gullet. Oh wow. These tiny hooks, guys. But look at that. Another nice solid one. Really, really healthy. I dropped him. Alright, Dave himself. He'll be alright. See you later, little guy. Just takes a catch his breath. He just hurt himself a little bit. Oh gosh. I don't know if he's still on. Maybe? Yeah, he was on. Come on, dude. Oh, there they are. Oh, yeah. Second one of the day. Let's go. Oh, pop it out. There we go, you guys. There's another one right there. Oh, almost fell. Nice little guy right there. They're super, super beat up for some reason. He popped that right out of his mouth. Sweet. See you later, buddy. Bye-bye. And there we go. There's another one. Oh, fuck. I just want to hold this. Yeah, you guys. So I'm using a purple with black glitter nymph flavored power bait, and it got destroyed instant. Got another one, and he's instant. Like I said, you guys, it's instant with these guys. It's instant with this black, with this purple and black nymph colored, nymph flavored. Like I said, it is instant. He's in the net, dude. Wow, that was fast. And this is a gorgeous one. Not too shabby, right in the bottom corner of his mouth too. Look at that. You can't move now. So that he's closed in. Stay still, stay still, stay still. Ah, he's biting my stuff. Let go of my stuff, please. Thank you. And there it is. That was like instant, like you guys. I'm not even. This is a nice, healthy one though. Dang it, dude. You want to give yourself a concussion or something? Please stop. That is. And you daze yourself, then. You didn't want to listen. There he is, guys. That's a nice healthy one. Super fat. All right, dude. Let me just throw you back in the water, please. I hate trout so bad. I never wear gloves for you guys. See you later, buddy. Like I said, you guys, that was instant. No hesitation, instant. I didn't have any time to put the other bait on. I ain't got no rods in the water now. Like instant, man. Oh, pulled that up too far. Don't want to go that far. There we go. This is crazy, dude. I don't have time to react. Like I'm trying to bait up my other hook. Perfect. Some of these trout are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, go like that so I can hold you. There, you got my hook in your gullet. So, simply cut it. And look at that guy, you guys. Nice, healthy one. Super healthy. Look at that. See you later, buddy. I think he's got himself lost in the weeds. There he goes. Dang, man, I love these guys. Especially with this bait, man. There's another one, you guys. Another decent, nice one. Look at him. Another decent, nice one, you guys. You can't whip out of this. And it's in the back of his throat. Let me see if I can save that. That's not the back of his throat. Just off the back of his tongue. There we go. Once you stop moving, you know you can't move. Ah, come on. There he is. Come back in the water. See you later, buddy. And there he goes. Let's go, bro. Dude, I'm slaying him. Instant. I think he's on still. He is. Nice little small one. I just reel this guy in. Seems like this flavor's working charms right now, you guys. Open so I can see how bad you got that back there. Oh, it's on the top of the lip. Let's start up at the top. Alright, dude. Gotta get you off. Stay still, so I can save you. Alright, dude. Where'd my needle nose go? There, my bag. Oh well. Can't get the needle nose right now. Look, dude. Yeah, I have to grab my needle nose for this. Needle nose. Alright, I just poked you in the eye because you keep moving. Yeah, you guys. Nice little tiny baby. Look at him. Little tiny one. Super bleeding in his mouth though, but he'll be fine. See you later, little buddy. Okay, we'll set you there. You like that. I'm just slamming everything around right now. Like I told you guys. It's this new. Oh my god. There's no way that was instant. I told you guys. It is instant. I I told you guys, this is like instant, man. Ugh, that's the biggest of the day for sure. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll do that to you just so I can see. I need you to hold still for me. You can go ahead and swim all you want, dude. Let me see where that thing is at. Top of the mouth. Look at that, you guys. Like I said, instant. That's a gorgeous one. He's a nice big size one too. Later, dude. There he goes, heading out. Dude, that was instant. Got another one, guys. Got another one. Hey, let's go. Give me another instant catch. Give me a bigger one this time. That is a bigger one. That is a much bigger one. Uh-oh, gotta set my drag properly. That is a bigger one and a half. Look at that. That's a big one. That's a much bigger one. This is a much bigger one. Come on, dude. I ain't trying to break you off. And there it goes. Finally, it fucking sinks. Oh yeah. Got him. Got him. Which one? Oh yeah, hell yeah. Ooh, come on, dude. He's not that big. He's just fighting me pretty good though. Like I said, you guys, with this water level being so low, and that there's no flow this time, these grass carp are a lot stronger. With this water flow, especially down here next to the stadium, as you guys can see over there, the water level, this water was always flowing. But now, since there's no flow in the water, it's very weird, fascinating kind of thing. Here's another nice one, about 4 pounds, 4.5. Ain't pretty bad, pretty good. Add that, put that there. Hopefully I don't bust my butt cheeks on this ladder, because I've had it happen before and it hurts really bad. Just come down a couple steps, grab your net, go down some more, go down 2 steps. And this should be far enough. Gotta reel in and gotta get him in the net. And it's that simple, you guys. You can literally catch big fish in these canals all day long. Off bread, off corn, worms. My buddy right over here to my right caught a little baby flathead in here. So yeah, there's a lot of fish in these waters, you guys. A lot of fish in these waters. Set him down right here. Got his tail. Get his fins out of there so I can uncover his face. Put your hand right on him like that. And all you do is just go in, grab the hook, take it out, and it's that easy, guys. It's literally that easy. Nice little dude, probably about 3-4 pounds. Like I said, let's get him back in. Like I can't go back over there, so I have to toss him like this. And it's good to go. It's that simple, you guys. Got one. There's like 100 of them over here. Got this guy all the way over here. I think I got one. Because you can use them as cut bait. You can use them as cut bait because if you caught a flatty in here, there's more. Oh, come here. Oh, no, come here, motherfucker. Oh, come on. Got him. It is a gizzard shad, bro. No, I had to snag him. Yep, look at that. That is a giant gizzard shad. Dude, look at them. They all followed this one, see? They're right there. Huh? Trebles? Yeah. You're good.
Pretty good one. Because the one's pretty small too.
So this guy right here, you would use him as a bait.
Bait?
Cut bait, yeah. Look at that, guys. That's a giant gizzard shad. Gorgeous too. The reason why is because he is super, super oily. Feel him.
Yeah.
And they release a lot of oil, especially when you cut them. You can use them as cut bait for flatheads. See my fingers, dude?
Yes.
Yeah, use them as flathead. But this guy is gonna go right back in. I just wanted to catch one for the camera. See you later, buddy. And there it is. Super, super disgusting. That one's still alive. Let me check. No, I thought that dude's dead. That's a dead grass right there. Yep, that's a dead grass. No, he's still alive. Barely. There's a grass carp right here that's almost dead. This is a heavy boy. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah, dude! This is a heavy boy. This is a big one. Look at that tail fin on that one. No, it's not just. He's not just big. He's fat. Oh, hell yeah, it is. Look at that, you guys. Yeah. Put your foot on the back of your rod just in case. Put your foot on the back of the rod. On the back of your rod. Put your foot on the back of it. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, he's pooping too right now, thank gosh. There you go. Okay, that's good. And then go like this. There you go. Okay, that's good.
Big one.
That's a big one. That's a gnarly one. See, this is super healthy. I think this is the one that's eating everything. Take one long last look, guys. Super healthy. See you later, dude. God damn, man. Had to hurt my arms a little bit. Like I already got one playing with it. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah, he's on. Told you. He's a little baby. Ain't that big. Oh, I wish I had a longer net. I gotta walk all my. I gotta walk my happy-go-lucky butt all the way back over here. All right, come on, dude. Yeah, this one's a much smaller one. Oh yeah, this dude's much smaller. I would love to try and boat flip him, but I don't think I can. So, same thing as always, guys. Go down a couple steps. Yeah, this is the smallest of the day for sure. And he's in the net, just like that, you guys. And it's literally, like I said, guys, it's literally that simple. These grass carp in these waters are so easy to catch. I mean, how often can you guys go to a canal or something and just slay back to back to back to back? I mean, get bit literally every cast. Tail out first. Yeah, I know you're not a happy camper, but it's all right. Like I said, guys, look at that. Super skinny, very skinny. But that's about 2 pounds, 2.5. Nah, more like 2. See you later, buddy. And it's that simple. Camera wasn't rolling, didn't notice. I caught 4 grass carp today, and this is my 4th one. Nice little dude. Sadly, the downside about this area, this water level is super low. Like extremely low, you guys. But let's get him back in the water if he stops flipping out. There he is. There he is, guys. Nice little grass. Back in. This water's super low. Like extremely low. I don't know why. Can't do nothing about it though.